Let's learn this awesome word today is love. In Thai is rak, rak, okay? Rak. But if you can't roll the tongue, just skip it. Just say luck, like good luck. Yeah, luck. But keep the K silent. Luck, luck. Not a rak, rak. If you can't roll the tongue, just do luck. But if you can, or you want to learn the proper Thai, then you need to practice the word rak. Okay? Let's make it easy. Say you love something. For instance, you love a cat. Okay? You rak ... Okay? The object. Whatever object go behind love. Basically, it's almost the same as saying I love cat. ผมรักแมว I love dog. ผมรักหมา I love you. ผมรักคุณ You see how easy that is? Who said Thai is hard? Come on, man. Jeez. Right? ผมรักรถ means I love cars. ผมรักบ้าน means I love houses. God, would you say like it's hard? Come on. Who said Thai is hard? Seriously? Okay, next one. ผมรักชีวิต means I love my life. I love something. ... Right? Love something. ... Just say I love my family. ผมรักครอบครัว ครอบครัว means family. ผมรักครอบครัว Got it? Okay. You know what I'm saying? Now, there's a saying in Thai that say, oh, you probably heard this before. Love at first sight. It's รักแรกพบ รักแรกพบ. It's more like intermediate or advanced. You don't really need to know that, but you know, it's fun, you know? Throw you a curveball a little bit. รักแรกพบ means I love at first sight. You can use that as your line when you go to a bar. I don't know. รักแรกพบ means love at first sight. Okay? Man, I can make a whole video, it's like 10 hours on this like flirting phrases, man. You know, but you guys probably not gonna be interested anyway. So yeah, I'm not gonna make it. But if you think I should make it, just let me know. Oh god, I can write a book on that. Maybe I should. Anyway, sidetrack. All right, let's keep this short. Remember, you love something. I love ... Okay, just say you love Bodo Thai. รัก Bodo Thai. Okay, ผมรัก Bodo Thai or ฉันรัก Bodo Thai. Bodo Thai is me. If you don't know me, my name is Bodo and this is Thai classes. You can call me Bodo Thai or Bodo. All right. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. My name is Bodo again, and I'll see you next time. Peace.